Hey guys, welcome to the Liquidity Finder channel. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share for more updates. Today we are back with gold pre-analysis ahead of the 20th to the 24th of May trading week. Hopefully we will have a very profitable week. As you all know, we are starting from the monthly time frame. So as you can see at the monthly time frame, gold is very much bullish. Very much bullish. We had last month's candle after a very push to the upside. The candle came all the way down over 1000 pips to close here. And this guy came this month, May, pushed up and is currently at this place. We don't know how this candle will eventually close. It could also give a down, but the question is, would it take the high of this candle before eventually closing, or would it come down without taking the high? So with that in mind, let's dive straight into our analysis. This is a weekly time frame. As we can see, we had a push to the upside, a retracement, and now the market is pushing back up. All indication is showing us a bullish structure. But when we come to the daily time frame, it looks a bit a different ball game. Today analysis is titled the day analysis is titled high probability bearish setup. I repeat, high probability bearish setup. So currently on gold, on the daily time frame, we are having a high probability bearish setup. Quickly, I will show you how a high probability bearish setup looks like. You will have a push to the upside. You have a pullback. You have another push to the upside. Then you have a push that takes the recent pullback, the inducement. You have a push that take inducement. Then you have another push, then you have another push down to take out that low, and you have another push back up to take that pullback as inducement. Then we sell from this supply. This is what we call a high probability bearish setup. And this is what we are currently having on gold. This is what we are currently having on gold. Chill. I will show you exactly this structure. Look at the structure. We have a push to the upside. We have a push, a liquidity sweep, a breakout structure, an inducement taking. We come here, we sell the market. This is a high probability bearish setup. And currently, we are having this setup on gold daily time frame. You need to train your eyes to see these things. It isn't that clear on daily time frame. So what I will do is I will take you to 4 hours so you can see what I'm seeing. I will draw a skeleton of the same structure that I'm talking about. A push to the upside, a pullback, then another push to the upside, then you have this move that takes out that pullback as inducement. You have it here. Let me make the drawing a bit, representable. It will look exactly the way you're saying. Then you have another pullback that will later be taken as inducement. Then you have another pullback that takes that low, which is here, and you have that final push to the upside. Then what do we expect based on this bearish, high probability bearish setup? We expect gold to sell. We expect gold to sell. This is not a guessing game. We are not guessing. We are trading. This is technical. This is technical. I'm showing you exactly what gold took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks to establish this structure. Does it seem to you like you take 6 weeks to establish this structure and disrespect it? I don't think so. So we expect we expect gold to sell, even if it won't sell to this area, which is 2252. At least gold will sell to this level, this current level. Gold will sell to this level. Gold will sell to at least this level before eventually probably pushing back up, if it wants to continue its bullish rally. Gold will push back up, but we expect a sell from this zone. We expect a sell from this zone based on this SMC high probability setup. Everything we need for this setup is present. So it's a high probability setup. We are not guessing. We don't gamble. We trade setups. So this is the bearish high probability setup ahead of next week. And again, one thing that also supports this my bias is the fact that tomorrow being 20th of May, we have what we call the LDR, where market tends to move in one direction. So if I'm the market, I have taken all the liquidity I need here. Every liquidity that was here before has been taken. So where else should I move in high volume? Where else should I move with high velocity to clear people? It should be this area where buy has been on since, areas of liquidity. So these also support the buyers that gold would sell. And again, if you go to the 5 minutes, 1 minute, whatever time frame. Now, if you could remember, I told you how gold would buy from this level, and eventually it bought. Look how that it tapped into our sniper 2 level, and once it tapped into our sniper 2 level, it never returned. I was in this buy, but I left early. This buy, I was in this buy, but I left early. Look how gold tapped into this zone and moved up all the way to this. This is over 2,000 pips, almost to 1,000 something pips. So currently on the sell side, gold has tapped into sniper 2. It has tapped into sniper 2. Come, let me show you something. Come, I will show you what gold did once it tapped into sniper 2. Do you see this? Do you see this reaction on 5 minutes? Do you see this? Do you see it? Do you see how gold tapped, cleared this high? This high was on sniper 1. Gold went and cleared it and tapped into sniper 2. Once it tapped into sniper 2, look at the reaction. Look at the reaction. A very, very, very good reaction for a sell. Look at it. A rejection. Look at. Let me 1 hour. Look at 1 hour. Look at the rejection. Look at the rejection from gold. So this is a sign that gold will sell. So everything being equal on the technical side, gold should sell ahead of next week. So what we should be looking for is a sell entry. All the way to 2,305 is a sell entry. We are looking for. Remember, go through my archive. All the videos I've posted, 80% of what I say plays out. So once the market open, I'm expecting a reaction from this 5 minute order block. I'm expecting a reaction from this 5 minute order block, and the sell will ensue. The sell will ensue. All things being equal on the technical side, because I heard of the Iran president helicopter crash. Hopefully, they don't link it up to something related to war. So, all things being equal, I expect a sell ahead of Monday trading week. So, guys, this is what I see gold doing ahead of next week. Look at the reaction of 15 minutes. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Tapped into sniper 2. I'm already in this trade. So ahead of tomorrow, ahead of the trading week opening, we should expect gold to sell massively. And again, look, there are several reasons that support the fact that gold has to sell. You see, this 4-hour candle opened without a wick. It opened without a wick. This one, let me show you. This candle opened without a wick. That's a lot of, the market needs to come back for it. Even if it eventually will not sell to 2-3, it has to come back for this guy. It has to come back. Let me show you an area where it did. Look at this guy. The market went up after it came back for it. Anytime market opens and creates wicks, most times it comes back for it. So you see, most of these things are supporting the buyers that gold will sell. And gold likes getting the attention. It has shown you, I'm buying. The moment you get into a buy, that's when it will start selling. So guys, be careful. Wait for confirmation, but I have already gotten the confirmation I need for this sell. So all I need now is another confirmation to add more positions. So I expect gold to sell massively ahead of this week. We are in. So guys, this is all I have for you for this week. Hopefully we catch all the pips we need to catch, and we'll end the week very, very profitably. So guys, cheers, God bless. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let's get more people in board. Don't forget to join the free Telegram group where I drop all my signals and trading idea. It is your host, one and only Liquidity Finder. Come and verify for yourself. So guys, I will see you on the profitable side. Cheers and God bless. I love you all. Bye.